we had our son, and then when our son was about 3 or 4 years old, um, I reminded Raj, I said, Raj, remember we talked about this, have one, adopt one. I really still want to adopt a little girl. And funny thing is, I'd already named her Tara before she was even in our frame of reference anywhere, because when I was pregnant, I said, if it's a boy, it's going to be Veer. If it's a girl, it's going to be Tara. And so Veer came along, so Tara had to come. And so when Veer was about 6 years old is when we put all our papers in. And it takes a very, very, very long time to put those papers together. So whatever, with this collaboration with Kara, let's make the process easier for parents. Let the wait not be 3.5 and 4 years. Let it be 1.5 and 2 years, so that, children who need to be with families can be with families sooner. So my son was 6 when we actually put the papers in. And then, we both got busy with work, and we followed up now and then, but we were very low apparently on that, or very far down on the list. And then COVID came along, and I told my husband, I said, Raj, if it's not going to happen now, it's not going to happen ever. So let's just put our foot on the gas and make things happen. And I'm going to put this one message out, because this is that platform. They give an option of where you can adopt from. They give you give you states to choose from, and just because that's an option, you circle a couple of states. But if you say anywhere in India, your name moves really fast on that list. So that's a secret I'm sharing with you, because I want this to go out there. And honestly, that's all I did. So 3 years later, when we're in the middle of COVID, I'm telling Raj, what do we do? And there's a friend of mine who applied after me, a single mom, and her daughter came along faster than ours did. So she said, just, revisit your papers and circle that anywhere in India option. And honestly, 1 month from when I did that, Tara's photograph was in our inbox, and she came along, and she came to us at the age of 4, and she will be on 28th of July, she'll be with us for 5 years. She's, 9. And oh my God, she's changed our lives. And she is, there are many, many myths which we can talk about in a little bit, but she came from a small little village called Tikamgarh, middle of Middle India, and she was destined to come to Mumbai. She'd never traveled in any kind of vehicle before she came to us. And it was the time of the pandemic, so we actually chartered a flight. So she traveled on a private jet to come to Mumbai. So that is what they say about destiny, and that's what they say about Kismat. And when I look at her and I look into her eyes, I can see into her soul, and I really believe that she was meant to be a part of our family.
So our tagline says, "Is dil ke aage sab ki haar hai." Now, as a brand, we've always, and I was talking about the stories and how we were building the brand, and and we never ended up talking about the product. We only talked about the ethos, the emotions. When we heard the storyline, it exactly resonated with the brand core, where we said that we always celebrate these enchanting moments, the warmest superpower that we all.
After watching a film like this, so after watching this, if somebody changes their mind, 1%, so I will give a pat on my shoulder.
On your 2 shoulders. Can we have a pat, Jaya and Shubhadeep sir? Can we have 2 pats on his shoulder? I think this is such a well done thing.
No, and this is not by me. This is our film. This is all of us. We made this film, and I thank ITC Sunfilm.
I'm going a little fast because I know অনেকে আছে এখানে আপনাদের প্রশ্ন বাকি আছে আমাদের উত্তর দেওয়ারও কথা রয়েছে জয়া that age association Moms Magic এর সাথে taking up the cause of adoption, what would be your view on this, Jaya? From the heart, কি বলতে চাও?
প্রথমেই আমি যেটা বলবো যে আমাদের মেইন স্ট্রিম মিডিয়াতে এই টপিকটা নিয়ে কাজ হওয়া খুব জরুরি। It's incredibly powerful that a brand like Moms Magic ইটস মানে এটার অ্যাসোসিয়েশন করেছে আমাদের ফিল্মের সঙ্গে, মানে এটার পেছনে যেটা আছে মা শব্দটি, এটার মতো স্ট্রেংথফুল, এটার মতো শক্তিশালী শব্দ তো আসলে আর নেই। এবং একই সাথে আমি বলবো যে সব ধরনের মা, সব রকম মাদের প্রতি এমপ্যাথি ক্রিয়েট করাটা খুব জরুরি। আমি সব ধরনের মায়ের কথা বলছি, সব রকম মায়েদের কথা বলছি। আর থ্যাঙ্কস টু সানফিস্ট মমস ম্যাজিক আমাদের ছবির ফিল্মের একটা মানে শক্তিশালী জার্নিতে আমাদের পাশে থাকবার জন্য থ্যাঙ্কস সো মাচ। সত্যি একেবারে অন্তরের অন্তঃস্থল থেকে আমরা থ্যাঙ্কস জানাচ্ছি।
আন্তরিক